you may be expected to analyze information in the form of scatter plot. So in this lesson, we will examine how this graphic works. To begin, a scatter plot is a useful way to visualize information about individual members of a population where each member has two variables associated with it. A scatter plot is a graph that is used to plot the data points for two variables. Each scatter plot has a horizontal axis and a vertical axis. In the given figure, we can see there is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis denotes training index and y-axis denotes finishing time. And there is a line which is passing through all the points. This line is known as trend line or line of best fit. One variable is plotted on each axis. Scatter plots are made up of marks. Each mark represents one study participant measured on the variable that are on the x-axis or y-axis of the scatter plot. A scatter plot makes it possible to observe an overall pattern or trend in the relationship between the two variables. So here is the properties of correlation, which are strength and direction. So first discuss about the strength of the correlation. So the strength of correlation can be defined by various types, which are zero correlation, weak correlation, moderate positive correlation, strong positive correlation, moderate negative correlation, and strong negative correlation. Next is direction. Direction of the correlation is determined by whether the correlation is positive or negative. So here there are different types of correlation: positive correlation, negative correlation, and no correlation. So in positive correlation, as one variable increases, the other variable also increases. As one variable decreases, the other variable also decreases. Next is negative correlation. In negative correlation, as one variable increases, the other variable decreases. As one variable decreases, the other variable will increase. And next is no correlation. In no correlation, there is no apparent relationship between the two variables. So now let's summarize all the points of the scatter plot. Analyze relationship between shared variables in a population. This helps us to analyze the relationship between the population or the given data. Trend line, which is also known as regression line, which is used to denote the best fit of the data points. The closer the point to the trend line, the stronger is the correlation. And positive correlation is that is one value increase, the other value will also increase, and vice versa. In negative correlation, as one value increases, the other value will decrease. And in no correlation or negligible correlation, there is little or no relation between the variables. So that's all about the scatter plot.